was just wondering if I could bring Avril in today for her x-ray redo. Okay, yeah, no problem. Okay, yeah, perfect. I got her to go poop this morning at around 5:15, so I was like, I should probably call and see if I can bring her in today. Yep, alright, sounds good. Thank you. X-ray time. She is still full of poop. So I brought her into the vet really quick. It is literally like 8 o'clock in the morning, and the reason why I wanted to take her in this morning is because this morning at around like 5 o'clock, she took a huge poop. So I was like, okay, she should be clear enough for her bladder x-ray. Nope, she's still full of poop. So basically I have to fast her, like not feed her, and bring her in again on Friday. So I'm gonna feed her really early today, and then probably nothing at all tomorrow. And then hopefully Friday, third time's the charm. Say hello everybody, I'm full of poop. What is with you, huh? Yeah, I know, it's a stressful morning, huh? You had to go to the vet. So yeah, that's the update on that. Still no x-ray results because she can't poop. Awesome. Hello guys, so it has been a few hours. It is currently 1:15 in the afternoon. Avril didn't get her x-ray again. Well, she did, but they couldn't see anything, so I already told you guys that this morning. And then the rest of the day, I have been just dealing with bullcrap. So basically, the first half of my morning, I was dealing with garbage. Other people's garbage, mind you. So basically what happened, long story short, is the dumpsters where I live fill up crazy high because of the holiday. People have boxes, they have, you know, just garbage bags full of wrapping paper, just so much trash, right? So the garbage guy finally came today. He was a couple days late due to the holiday, and he was not in a good mood today. He just wanted to pick up what he could. So he dumped half of the dumpster, like the stuff that was overflowing, he dumped it into the parking lot and then emptied the dumpster, and then he had to make room to put the dumpster like from his truck like back down in the spot. But because there was so much trash, he gets out of his truck and he starts just throwing trash, like garbage bags, boxes, all over the parking lot, into the carport. There was a garbage bag on somebody's car. Like, he literally threw a garbage bag on somebody's car. It was a mess. Like, you couldn't drive through, like, to go past the dumpster without driving over trash. Like, it was that messy. He was in a really bad mood. Like, just the amount of force he was just throwing trash around the parking lot. And here I am watching this whole entire thing, like, just in complete disbelief for the lack of respect he's having for the property. And then he leaves all of this trash, like, he empties what he could from the dumpster and then just leaves the rest of it just scattered about. And I'm watching this whole thing and I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, somebody's got to do something, because my maintenance guy isn't here today and we have really high winds today. So I was like, well, if someone doesn't do it, it's gonna blow all over the place. It's gonna blow on people's front porches. It's gonna blow under people's cars. And like, I don't know what's in those bags. Like, it could be something sharp. Like, what if it punctures somebody's tire? So I was like, okay. So I took it upon myself to go out there and pick up all of the trash and load up the dumpster again. Other people's trash. It was incredibly disgusting. I picked up all of the garbage bags, I picked up some of the loose items that I could, and the dumpster is now full again. Like, that's how overflowed these dumpsters were. Like, people go fucking nuts at Christmas. Like, it's insane. So I did that. I got about 70% done, and then I was getting to the point where I was making myself gag because it just smelled so bad. Like, and it was raining, so it was like wet garbage juice. Ugh, I couldn't do it. So I picked up what I could. I got all of the bags and I stacked all of the boxes next to the dumpster so they wouldn't blow around. And then, yeah, so I was doing that. I came inside. I had to take off all my clothes. I had to wash my clothes. I had to wash my shoes. Like, my shoes smelled so bad because I stepped in garbage juice. It was just repulsive. So I did that. I did see another neighbor come and break down the rest of the boxes and throw those away as well. So that was really nice. And then now, I just got home because I had to run a couple errands and I had to go to the post office. And I just come home and the Amazon truck is here. And I was like, perfect. Like, I have an Amazon package that is supposed to be delivered like right now. And out of all delivery services, Amazon is the one I never trust, because the last time I ordered something from Amazon, my package was stolen because the Amazon driver had somebody sign for my package without asking for ID, and that person signed my name, like they looked at the box, wrote Bree, and took my package. So I do not trust Amazon, so whenever I have an Amazon package coming, I watch them like a hawk. So I'm like sitting in my car and I'm just watching the truck like drive from unit to unit, and then he pulls around to mine. And he's walking around with the box, and I was positive this was my box. And he was like looking around, and he didn't really know where to go, so I was like, okay, like I'm gonna chase him down, otherwise he's gonna deliver it to somebody else. So I had to run outside, ask him who he was looking for, what unit number, what building number. He said a different unit number, and I was like, oh, that's around the back, like you gotta walk around the back, like those are kind of hidden. And then he was like, wait, what one are you? And I told him like my address, and he was like, oh, this is yours. I almost delivered it to the wrong place. And I was like, oh my God, I'm so glad I chased you down then. So I don't understand. 2024 better not be this chaotic, because the end of 2023 is freaking banana bonkers. But I got my Amazon package, and I'm very excited about it, because now if you're an adult who lives on their own, you will totally understand. But I got myself a cordless stick vacuum, and I'm super excited about this. I know, this is probably really stupid to vlog, like, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I really wanted to get a cordless stick vacuum. I had one at my old apartment because I had hardwood floors, and that was a lifesaver. And then when I moved here, I got rid of it because I had mostly carpet, so I needed like a heavier duty vacuum. And I do have like my kitchen, my laundry room, and both of my bathrooms have hard floors, like linoleum. And I already have a Dyson that I use for my carpets, and that thing is great for carpets. But oh my gosh, it is so incredibly heavy. Like it is, I don't know what Dysons are made out of, but they are some of the heaviest vacuums I've ever felt in my life. Here I am vlogging about vacuums, oh my gosh. Be sure you subscribe. Lots of fun, exciting stuff here. And I can't stand vacuuming my bathrooms, my laundry rooms, and my kitchen with this big, clunky Dyson. Like, it was killing me every time. So I wanted to get a stick vacuum, and that's exactly what I got, and I'm very excited. So I figured we could unbox it together and try it out. So let's do that. Okay, so here's what everything looks like on the inside. So it looks like we have the handle right here. I got a nice cobalt blue color. We got some more brush attachments. It looks like we have a little wall mount thing so you can hang it. We have the charging cord right here, which we are gonna have to charge it before we use it, which always sucks about those things, because like you get so excited about it and you really want to use it right away, but you should really charge it first. And then here we have the little sucker thingy, the vacuum part. I am on one today, you guys, like you have no idea. And then we have the motor right here. Does it slide in like this, or does the other side go in? Oh, all right. That just snaps in there like that. Like that. Cool. Wow, that was really easy. And I'm kind of in. Oh my gosh, this thing is so tall. Oh wait, I can shorten it, right? Yeah, I can shorten it. Ah, there we go. Okay, all right, cool. All right, now let's plug this in. Where do you plug this in at? Oh, right here. Okay. All right, so we have a little plug, and then we'll just plug it in right there. All right, so it has a little like blinking battery light up here, so I'm assuming that means it's charging. I'll have to read the manual, but there we go. It's plugged in and it's charging. I am super excited about that damn thing. Oh, and that's cool, and you can use it like as a little handheld too, kind of like the little Dyson one, so you don't have to have that long pole on there, so that's fun. I just need to know, like, how do you know when it's done charging? Once it is fully charged, we'll go ahead and use it, and I'll probably vlog that too. Oh man, this is quality content. Okay guys, it's officially done charging. I cannot wait to try this. I'm also really curious to know, first of all, this took like almost 6 hours to fully charge. I hope it's not going to be like that every time. But yeah, anyway, I've also heard that this one is supposed to be pretty quiet. I don't really believe that, so we're just gonna find out. So, okay, ready? Here we go. Alright, so far it looks like it works pretty good. Alright, it's kind of hard to see because of the glare. All that in there, that was from doing my laundry room and my upstairs bathroom. That is pretty decent. Another thing I really like is I can fit it into much smaller places than I could with the Dyson. Like I could get kind of underneath my oven a little bit better. I could get under furniture in there better, so yeah. So far, so good. Hello guys, happy Saturday. It is 4:30 p.m. It is the second to last day of the entire year, which is nuts. Please excuse the way I look. Today was an ultimate deep cleaning today. Like, we're talking dusting my ceilings, vacuuming my ceilings, you know, dusting, vacuuming, laundry, mopping, trash, you know, all that stuff. So I look a little bit rough. I'm here with some excellent news because third time is a charm, and Avril's x-ray went through. She was not full of poop. They were able to see her bladder, and I'm very happy to report that she had no bladder stones in her bladder. I am so excited. So those crystals in her urine, you know, they said that there's many reasons that they could be there, like if the urine sat too long or if the pH was off or something like that, but they said, you know, we'll just keep monitoring. I look so bad. I cannot believe I put myself on the internet like this. They just said we'll just keep monitoring her urine and, you know, all of that stuff and just keep up on it. But now we know that we have to, I don't know if I told you guys this, but I had to fast her. I had to fast her, like not feed her for over 24 hours, and I had to get her to poop in that time. And she went over 24 hours without eating, and I was able to get her to poop. So she was completely cleaned out, thank God. And I also got her blood work. So yeah, as you can see, all of her blood work looks really good. She had a couple things in the red, but they're not anything bad. I know it's on here. SDMA, it was at 15. The normal limits are 0 to 14, and hers is at staying steady at 15, so that is a good thing. So yeah, all of that is normal. She is all good, no bladder stones. She's acting normal. She's going to the bathroom normal. She is eating again, so don't think I'm still starving her. She is definitely still eating again, and she is loving it because she is such a little baby elephant. She loves food. So the fact that I had to like not give her dinner one night was pretty devastating, but all is well, and I'm happy that we can end out the year with good news. Jackal is also doing okay. I am in contact with my vet about some medications that we can try in the future, like pain medications and stuff. So we're just taking it one day at a time, but he has been playing, he's been eating, drinking, going to the bathroom, so all is well. And my boyfriend just got home from work, so I'm gonna go say hi to him, and I will see you guys tomorrow for New Year's Eve. But yay, Avril's all good, no stones, x-ray went well, woohoo! ready. Here's the outfit. Just a nice little sweater dress, long sleeve, some fishnets, and boots. And my boyfriend is still getting ready. I am ready before him, which doesn't happen very often. So I'm just kind of waiting on him. It's almost 7 o'clock, and then we're gonna go. We packed up all the liquor. It's gonna be fun. Happy New Year!
Good boy.
Almost here. We're ready in New York City. And joining me for the countdown, we got a performance. 30 seconds. All day long. 30 seconds. And we're at 30 seconds until the new year.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.